my dear students, welcome to the new lecture of online classes with exercise 5.2. Today we are going to study its question number 7 and 9, and question number 6, 8 and 10 will be your homework, as this type of sums we have already done in the previous lesson. Okay, now see the question here. Question number 7 is, what should be added to minus 3 by 5 plus minus 5 by 3 to get 1. Now you know the number whatever you have to add, that we don't know, so what we can consider it as x. So what we write, that the number added in this is what? X. So according to question we are getting this step. Okay, now see, you know children, you have to keep variable on one side and numbers on the other side. So transposition we will do. Now here x will be on one side, x is equal to, so the number which is already there, that you will write 1. Now as this complete you have to transpose, so this plus, when you transpose it on the right side, it becomes minus, and this complete so we will write it minus 3 minus 3 by 5 plus minus 5 by 3 as it is. Sorry children, wait. In this way. Okay, now see, is equal to, this one will be as it is. Now you know, let's remove this simple bracket first. So it will be what? Minus 3 by 5 plus into minus 5 by 3. Okay, now let's simplify the bracket first. You know, here the denominator is not same, so you have to find LCM, and the LCM is what? 15. So let's write minus 3 into 3 will be what? Minus 9 by cross multiplication, minus 15. 5 5s are 25. Okay, and now see, is equal to 1 minus, now you know when both are negative you have to add, so 25 minus 34, you will get minus 34 by 15. Now let's simplify this again. You have to simplify. So what you will get now is equal to 1 This minus into minus become plus, and remove this bracket. (34/15). Okay, now you remove this bracket also. Now you can see here there is no denominator, so you can take 1. And now again you have to find LCM. The denominator is not same, so 15 is the LCM. And you know 1 into 15, here 15 plus 34. And now add this 49/15. 49/15 is the answer, means this is the value of x, and then you will write the answer at last. What will be the answer? That the number to be added is what? 49/15. Now let's study question number 9. Question number 9 is also like this, only in place of addition there is subtraction. So question number 9, what is that? What should be subtracted? What should be subtracted from -5/18 plus 5/12 to get? So what we are getting? -11/72. Okay, so according to this you have to write in the same way. First, what will you write? Again, that what number should be subtracted from this? Let the required number to be subtracted be x. Okay, so write down, let the required number to be subtracted be x. Okay, then again you can write according to question. So according to question, what? X subtracted from this much. So first you have to write this, as the word is from there, so we have to write this complete first as it is, from 5/18 plus 5/12. You have to subtract x, and you are getting -11/72. Okay children, now in the same way you have to find the value of x, and children, see, it's your choice, either you keep this x on the left side or transpose it to the right side. Now in this case it will be easy for me to transpose it on the right side, as this x is negative. If I will transpose it here, it becomes positive, you know. And now numbers I want on this left side. So first the numbers, the term which is already there, that I will write as it is without changing any sign. And this minus become plus 11/72. And now let's simplify the bracket first. What is the LCM? You have to find the LCM of 18 and 12. The LCM of 18 and 12 is what? 36. Okay, now 18 2s are 36, so here also you will multiply with 2. So 5 2s are 10, so -10, plus here multiply by 3 to get 36, so here also you have to multiply by 3, so 5 3s are 15, plus 11/72 is equal to x. Now just simplify. -10 plus 15 is what? 5/36 plus 11/72 is equal to x. And now children, you know you have to again find its LCM. LCM is what? 72. Now you have to complete this. Here you will get one number, and here, and simplify. At last whatever the answer you have to write, and that answer is what? Here the value of x that should be subtracted from the given number. Okay, and children, now your homework is question number 6, 7 I solved, question number 8, question number 10. Okay, and now in this way we have completed our exercise 5.2. Now children, the sums are easy, get practice. And now we are going to see in the next lecture multiplication of rational numbers. Okay, so I hope you understood all this. Thank you. Have a nice day.